SafeLink deactivates phones primarily due to billing problems. These arise from missed or failed monthly recharges, often linked to changes in government benefits like SNAP or SSI. Deactivation occurs after a short grace period. IMEI SIM mismatch happens when you use a SafeLink SIM in an unapproved, unlocked phone, triggering compatibility errors or fraud flags. Both issues are designed to prevent abuse but can cause frustration. To avoid deactivation, verify your account balance regularly, ensure your device is SafeLink approved, and report benefit changes immediately. If your SafeLink phone is deactivated, start by checking your account balance via the SafeLink app or website to ensure your plan is active. If the deactivation is due to a billing issue, recharge your account right away to restore service. For IMEI or SIM card mismatches, you must use a SafeLink approved device to prevent deactivation. If issues continue, contact SafeLink support through their app, website, or 1-800 helpline. The app features AI-driven bots that have improved support response times. For billing disputes or device problems, gather all relevant information like account details and device IMEI before contacting support for faster resolution.